Welcome back to Coast to Coast with Joanne. It is episode 14, and today we will take a hike to a cave that's nearby. And as you can see behind me, all of the plants are wet because our rainy season has started early this year in 2025. Usually it doesn't rain till the end of May, but it is at the beginning of May, and we have got our first substantial rainfall. So come along. This cute little guy is the morning glory vine. I have many of these in the garden and around the pickleball court. You can find morning glories everywhere in Nicaragua, and they are great to have in the garden because they provide color all year round. Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 11, we have drop-in play, so come out and join us. It's 150 Cordobas for 90 minutes. This is adult playtime, and we'd love to see you on the court. As mentioned before, I planted a lot of morning glories in and around the court because it does many things. It blocks out the sun. It also blocks out some rain. It gives a pop of color, and just the green of the vine is very muted and very soft, and it gives a good feel to the garden. As you can see here, after a while, the morning glory vines get a little bit scraggly and they need to be trimmed. Also, they can be very invasive. So if you see the electricity pole there, we constantly have to keep cutting to make sure that the vines do not climb up on the wires. Here is Carlos. He is cleaning out those old vines so that new vines can grow with this new rain that we're receiving.
Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza. Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza. Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza. Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza.
I started hiking from the pickleball court. I walked towards the Jesus statue, up and over the mountain behind it. I hooked up with some friends and their children, and now we are heading down towards the ocean. And this is our destination, Cueva del Tigre. As an experienced hiker, I wore some good boots with some high socks. I brought snacks and water. Well, this is JJ, one of the friends that I am going on this hike with, and she prepared like a good Nicaraguan woman, and she brought her machete. The beach has a steep angle to it, and it's full of these rocks, and it's really beautiful, but walking along, you tend to slip and slide a lot. Here we start to hike up away from the beach and into the bush. On this day, we did not make it to our destination because of a couple of things. The trail was so overgrown, even with the machete, we couldn't cut our way through. We were losing daylight and the tide was rising. So, back around these corners, the tide had already risen. I came home with wet boots, and I think a lot of other people did too. I have done this hike many times, so luckily I had some photos of times where I made it to the cave. So here they are, and I hope you enjoy them. There were several plumeria trees in full bloom along the shore of the beach. Known to many as the plumeria, this is actually called the Sacuanjoche in Nicaragua, and it is the national flower of the country. There is an abandoned lot right across from the casita, and at this time of year, there is a jinicero tree, which is in full bloom. So I went to go take a look and take some photos of it, and to my surprise, there was a guardabarranco there. The guardabarranco is the national bird of Nicaragua. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week.